Today, we'll learn how to make our own Starbucks bacon and Gruyere egg bites at home. This version has higher protein, lower carbs, less calories, and in my opinion, it's even more delicious. This is a breakfast game changer. I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Let's get started. First, make 6 slices of turkey bacon. The key to getting higher protein is to find the right brand. Most of the more processed brands I've investigated had about 2 grams of protein per slice. Not bad, but there are many brands that seem to be less processed, allowing for a higher protein content. One such brand is Applegate, offering turkey bacon with 5 to 6 grams of protein per slice. That is a huge difference, coming in at around 3 times the protein with each slice. It really adds up. So let's make our Applegate turkey bacon. I like to put it in the oven to allow for the most even cooking. I will make the entire package, even though we won't use all of it. We've already preheated our oven to 400 degrees. So put the turkey bacon in for 10 to 15 minutes, checking it carefully as you go. It's done. Once the turkey bacon has cooled, chop it, then set it aside. Now crack 8 large eggs into a bowl. Then whisk them together. I'm using a Dutch whisk today, which is as efficient as a standard whisk, but the food won't get caught in it as you start to add more ingredients. You'll see as we go. I will leave a link to this whisk as well as all the products I'm using today in the description below in case you want to explore them. Now add in 1 cup of cottage cheese. Then shred approximately half a cup of Gruyere cheese. These graters are wonderful, by the way. I used them the first time working in a restaurant. They're just a very easy, safe way to grate cheese. Now we're gonna shred approximately half a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. If you are enjoying this recipe, I would absolutely love it if you would give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment telling me where you're watching from. That would be so fantastic. Okay, this looks great. Now it's time to add the chopped turkey bacon in. Now add your spices. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, and half a teaspoon of ground Himalayan sea salt. Now mix that together until it's fully incorporated. Do you see what I mean now? Nothing gets in the spokes as it would with a traditional whisk, but it does the job and it's awesome. So now preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then get out a muffin pan and line it with 12 muffin liners. This recipe is for standard size muffins. Now we're gonna carefully pour even amounts into each muffin cup until all the ingredients are used. I like to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup. That just helps keep everything nice and clean and even as you're putting it into the muffin tin. Now put the muffin pan into the oven at 325 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes. You will know when it's done by putting a toothpick in with no egg batter coming out, and the tops will brown slightly. Now they are done. We're just gonna let them cool for a few minutes. They look so beautiful. But how do they taste? That is so good. Honestly, I like my home version better. The other one is amazing, but this is so good. It just tastes a little more wholesome to me. Now, let's compare the nutritional info for both. According to Starbucks website, their egg bites have 9 grams of carbs, 19 grams of protein, 20 grams of fat, and 300 calories per serving, which is 2 egg bites. Those are pretty good stats, but can we beat them? Let's compare that to our version. 3.7 grams of carbs, 22.3 grams of protein, 13.9 grams of fat, and 243 calories per serving. Our version has lower carbs, higher protein, lower fat, and lower calories. And as an added bonus for me, it was also a significant cost savings to make them at home. This is a breakfast game changer. The full recipe is in the description below. The products are available in the description as well. For more recipes, kitchen reviews, and how-tos, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.